Welcome to the Queen of Hills, Ooty. Nestled in the heart of Nilgiris, this charming hill station is calling your name with its misty mountains, lush green valleys, and endless cup of hot tea. Get ready for a ride through scenic landscapes, stunning viewpoints, and some hidden gems you won't want to miss. Hello and welcome back to our channel for another video. अगर आपने हमारी recent videos देखी हैं, then you would know that we were in Mysore for past few days and now it's time to explore Ooty. वैसे तो Ooty year round destination है, हर month में आपको यहाँ पर एक अलग ही experience मिलेगा. March to June is the best time to visit here, days are pleasant and during evenings it can get a bit chilly. July to September are monsoon months, so if you love lush green landscapes and the smell of fresh earth, then monsoon is a great time, but rains can ruin some of your plans. October to Feb is good if you are someone who loves chilly weather. We traveled in February and during this time, though the days were sunny, but it was windy and morning and evenings were quite cold. So it is best to carry light jackets when traveling in winters. Now let me tell you how to reach Ooty. Ooty आने के लिए आप कोयम्बटूर तक फ्लाइट ले सकते हो and from there you can hire a cab till Ooty which will take you another 3 to 4 hours to reach. Second option is you can take a train to Coimbatore or Mettupalayam, then take a cab or take Nilgiri Mountain Railway. That's the famous toy train that takes you through the hill. हम ट्रैवल कर रहे हैं बाय रोड. We started our journey from Hyderabad to Mysore and then Mysore to Ooty via the famous 36 hairpin bend road. Distance from Mysore is about 130 km and it will take us about 3 to 4 hours. This is a really scenic route but challenging as well. तो अगर आप ऐसे टेरेन में ड्राइव करने में कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो, then I would suggest you to avoid this road. You can opt for Mettupalayam Kotagiri road, which is slightly longer route but less risky as well. The Mysore-Ooty road trip offers a scenic journey through Bandipur and Mudumalai national parks. With fresh air, tall trees and plenty of wildlife sightings, this journey is an exciting adventure for nature lovers. इस रूट पर अगर आप बाय रोड जा रहे हो तो आपको ई-रजिस्ट्रेशन करवाना पड़ेगा जिसमें कुछ बेसिक डिटेल्स फिल करनी होती हैं लाइक योर व्हीकल डिटेल्स, ड्यूरेशन ऑफ स्टे, डेस्टिनेशन एड्रेस. और रिजर्व एरिया एंटर करने से पहले आपको चेक पोस्ट क्रॉस करना होगा जहां पर चेकिंग होती है. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पार्ट्स ऑफ दिस रूट इज द अनप्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी. देयर इज ऑलवेज द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ अ चांस एनकाउंटर विद एनिमल्स इन देयर नेचुरल हैबिटेट. देर आर 36 हेयरपिन बेंड्स ऑन द रोड, तो आपको बहुत ही ध्यान से चलाना होता है और स्पीड लिमिट भी बहुत कम रखनी पड़ती है. तो दैट इज़ वाई टेक्स टाइम, बट रोड बहुत सुंदर है, रूट बहुत अच्छा है एंड रोड कंडीशंस आर ऑल्सो प्रीटी गुड. तो अभी बज रहे हैं 1:30 और हमने अभी बस चेक इन किया है. हम रुके हैं ट्राइडेंट ऊटी में. इसका जो रिव्यू है, फुल रिव्यू हम आपको एक अलग वीडियो में शेयर कर देंगे. तो अभी हम थोड़ा लंच करेंगे, थोड़ा रेस्ट करेंगे और फिर हम निकलेंगे शाम को यहाँ पे नियर बाय कुछ प्लेसेस एक्सप्लोर करने के लिए. We are at Dodapeta Peak, which is the highest point in the Nilgiris. With clouds floating by, panoramic views stretching for miles, and cool mountain air all around, this spot is pure magic. The name Dodda Beta literally means big mountain in Tamil and it definitely lives up to the name. ये place ऊटी से around 10 किलोमीटर दूर है. On a clear day, you can enjoy 360-degree views of the surrounding valleys, forest and distant town. It is truly a treat for your eyes. यहाँ पर आप टेलीस्कोप हाउस और वॉकिंग ट्रेल्स सराउंडेड बाय शोला फॉरेस्ट पर टाइम भी स्पेंड कर सकते हो. अब हम आए हैं टी पार्क, जो कि डोडा बेटा पीक से अराउंड 3 किलोमीटर्स ही है. और यहाँ पर भी हमारा आई थिंक 40 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन एंट्री टिकट थी. एंड देन देर वर फॉर व्हीकल पार्किंग देर वॉज एडिशनल 50 रुपीज़ का टिकट. एंड यहाँ का जो टाइमिंग है ना वो 6 बजे क्लोज हो जाता है, तो अगर आप यहाँ आने का प्लान करो तो आप जल्दी जल्दी बना लो. टी गार्डन इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट पीसफुल एंड सीनिक स्पॉट्स tucked away in the heart of Ooty. Located on the gentle slopes of Dodda Beta Road, this tea estate is run by Tamil Nadu government and offers a quiet escape into lush greenery and art of tea making. Spread across rolling hills, the tea garden is a visual treat with neatly lined tea bushes, mist drifting between the rows, and workers hand-picking fresh tea leaves just like they're done for decades. You can stroll through tea plantations, take in the fresh earthy aroma and enjoy a freshly brewed cup of Nilgiri teas at the on-site tea shop. The Nilgiris are famous for their unique aromatic tea with a light floral flavor, different from what you'll taste in Assam or Darjeeling. If you love nature and a good cup of chai, this place is a must visit. Quiet, breezy and oh so refreshing, just like the perfect cup of tea. So now we are at the tea factory और हम यहाँ पे भी एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं. We just parked our car. टी पार्क ओवरऑल अच्छा है. इट इज़ लाइक आपको ओवरऑल एक्सप्लोर करने में 1 घंटा आप वहाँ पे स्पेंड कर सकते हो. Now let's see the tea factory. This spot gives you a peek into how two of everyone's favorite things, tea and chocolate, are made right here in the cool hills of Nilgiri. यहाँ पर आप टी प्रोसेसिंग यूनिट देख सकते हो. Watch how fresh tea leaves are withered, rolled, fermented, dried and finally packed, all using traditional methods. Learn the difference between black, green and white tea and how each gets its unique flavor. इस टूर के एंड में you also get to taste freshly brewed Nilgiri tea. Before you leave, don't forget to pick up some goodies, locally made teas, spices, essential oils and handcrafted chocolates, perfect souvenirs or gifts for family and friends. Next section here is Chocolate Factory. You can get a close look at how homemade chocolates are crafted, from melting and molding to cooling and wrapping. You'll see variety like milk chocolate, dark chocolate, white chocolate and even flavored ones with nuts and fruits and spices. So that's it for today. आज हमने काफ़ी कुछ कवर कर लिया. We traveled from Mysore to Ooty and then the tea garden, tea factory and Dodda Beta peak. सब कुछ बहुत ही amazing था. We have a lot of things planned for tomorrow. So stay tuned for the next episode. If you are enjoying this series, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Until then, happy wandering!